Cool Kicks YouTube channel, Houston Premium Outlets. Let's go. All right, guys, let's go. Last outlet stop for the day. Let's go. Do got a little heat wall up front. Didn't really see much and don't get a discount. See what's up with the Nike refurbished. It's all together right here. Got some Metcons right here. Nike by You, down to 80 bucks, slightly imperfect. Dude, got some of the Blazer low acronym, size 6, down to 70 bucks, that's slightly imperfect as well. Pegasus 39, size 11.5, down to 65 bucks, gently worn. Zoom X Street Fly. If you run and you wear a size 14, slightly imperfect. Got some ice shots down here. $53, slightly imperfect, 11.5. Kukunis, $65, slightly imperfect. Got some Blazer mids, huge, size 15, $53. And like new Jordan 37s. These are $111. Do get 30% off of all the refurbished stuff. Also off of all the clearance stuff in the back wall. Yeah, they blasting the hell out the music. All right, do got some acronym Blazer lows, $110. These are smaller sizes. Got the Blazer low Sakai's, even smaller, little baby size 4, 100 bucks. Zion 3s, $140 for those bad boys. These are size 8. Terminator size 13 down to 55 bucks. If you like the old school, that's definitely a hell of a price special, 30 off. Size 10, $130 still for these. That lady yelled loud as hell. What the hell? $115 for these mids right here. 100 bucks for the Turbo Next Natures right here. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. Cosmic Unities, $125. Right next to that, the exact same colorway, $60. So yeah, I'm pretty sure they're going for 60. Holy cow, that's cheap. Maybe that's an imperfect. Look at that. No, that's supposed to be like that, right? That's that recycled material, and it's just, yeah, it's just all blended together. $60, that's the cheapest we've seen that. Especially with that extra 30% off. Look at this, Air Max 2021s. They still asking for $135, over 100 bucks, even with the discount. Jordan 1 Low Golf right here. That's just the tumbled leather version, $140, size 13. In the size 12, I believe, do got the Billie Eilish Air Force Ones. Go for $150. What are those? ISPA, the Sense Fly. What the hell are those? Apparently they're the Nike ISPA Sense Flyknits. $159. Nike by Use right here. Some Metcons, $180 for those. Finally got some retros on the back wall. Jordan 7. These are the Jordan 7 Afro beats that nobody really wants. There's some people that like them, but just, you know, people aren't too excited about those. Jordan 1 Low Golf right here as well, $140. Got some of those Sakai's. And that's about it, man. That's about it. Checking out the aisles, they do got quite a few Jordans here. Remember, if you do see them here, that means eventually they'll go down. Lately, everything's been going down and down. $160, pretty solid for those. Light infrared 7s as well. And then these are already low. Okay. So that one on the wall, probably $130. Do get an extra 30 off. That makes it under 100 bucks. Okay. Do got the HAKOs. And then do got a bunch of the Team Jordans. We've been seeing a lot of liftoffs. Max RS, Zoom 92s. Been seeing a ton of those. Do got a Jordan 1 Low SE right here with the slightly upgraded material. That suede's pretty nice. Kind of like a turbo green. Got some Cosmic Unities. Oh, this is the cheaper one that they had. Another one as well. I just noticed the music turned off at 12 minutes before they close. These are all the Witness 7s. Deepest colorway right here. Another one right there. Wow, they just got a bunch. Next gen starting to make their way. These are all the LeBron 20 Next Gens. And just got the regular LeBron 20s. Multiple displays of that colorway. Then of course they do got the KD Trey 9s. We've been seeing a bunch of those. Immortalities. Luka ones. Some Ja ones right here. Yo, this is what I'm talking about. right here. This is the black white multicolor. Hell yeah, for 90 bucks. That's what I'm talking about. Still sad I wasn't able to get my Air More Up Tempo lows. The dang ambush collab, I so wanted those. God dang it. I was even up at like 1 in the morning trying to get them when they released in Europe, because it was a Europe release originally, because the ambush is from Europe. Dope. Got some blazer mids. Got quite a few of these. Prices are just going down. And quite a few blazers for 50 bucks. That's what's up. Oh, and they do got these cheaper. So that one on the wall, you do get an extra 30 off. Got some regular Air Force mids. Got quite a few Air Forces. Another one right here. All white. Those are highs. But yeah, I do got some dunk highs right here. These are some 85 material looking hella nice. Seen that quite a few places. Some actual mids instead of the highs that I saw earlier. This is the women's section right here. I'm gonna browse through it real quick. Seeing if I can find some Invincible Run Flyknits in the women's for hella cheap. Maybe a refurb or something, but I'm not really seeing it. Because that is how I came up on these. These aren't refurbs, but these are women's. Which is interesting because they came out with the exact same colorway in the men's. This one as well as my, I want to say the burgundy. Like the dark red ones. And yeah, I grabbed these for what? Like under $40 if I remember. Under 40 bucks. Pegasus 35 turbos. I think it was the first shoe with ZoomX. First shoe was ZoomX, super comfy. And I think the Invincible Run Flyknits are even more comfy. Wearing Lakers gear, you know, just had to. All right, you guys, I think that, oh wait. All right, let's go look at the heat wall and then I think we're gonna wrap it up. It is 7 minutes till, so I got a couple minutes. Where every outlet has had these. These are the women's UNC to Chicago Jordan 1 Low OGs with the nice leather. The 11 Neapolitans. Been seeing a lot of these getting returned. Got Cherry 12s. Got these 4s right here. Those look like grade school. Some men's pair of these ones. Women's pair of these bad boys. The 3s with some nice material on it. Some We the Best. Didn't I show those? Oh no, did I show those over there? I don't remember. Did go through the clothing real quick. Didn't really see much. And yeah, man, these, dang it, yeah, the pockets aren't deep enough on those. Dang it. All right, I'm gonna let them close up. I think I'm gonna wrap it up, dude. I'm gonna wrap it up. I might hit up Burlington and Ross. I might do some of that because this video is not long enough. So yeah, let's go see what I find. Minute Maid Park. I think that's where the Houston Astros play, right?
In half a mile, take exit 129B for I-45 south toward Galveston.
Place looks pretty dope. Okay. And there is a Ross. Dang, the Ross videos at Ross lately, I swear, like the apparel section's been weak as hell lately. This is just, man, dude, they do have a Bulls team apparel hoodie right here, 25 bucks. That's way too much. Yeah, maybe I need to chill on some of these Ross videos. That's why I haven't been hitting as many, to be honest. But yeah, $17 for these medium jerseys right there. Have a Nike Day jacket right here, $30 normally, $1.20, but I've never been a fan of the Have a Nike Day merch. The XL section do have, looks like a Dalvin Cook jersey. These have all been, what, 40 bucks lately. This is a Nike jersey, normally $175, down to 40 bucks. And then a bunch of local merch right here, local teams. Do got the Texan blankets. These have all been going for what, 15 bucks. Got some throws for $10. Got a Cowboys one right here for 10. Like a different one, a thicker one right here for 15. Houston Astros mugs right here too for 15. And then even a Houston Astros Bluetooth speaker. I think I grabbed a couple different teams. I grabbed some Chargers ones and they were smaller than this, but it was the same company. Grabbed it for $5. Grabbed the Dallas one for someone too. We've been finding some dope beanies. lately, but not here. Not here. The only one I see is this Broncos one right here for 15 bucks. Oh wait, wait. They got some more Bills, 15 Packers. Got a couple of Packers. It's a 47 brand. This one's 15. And then we got a New Era Packers one right here for 15 as well. Got a Niners one right here. Is this the one I already have? I can't remember. I think that's the one I just got recently. Got Eagles, Doyers right there for 15 bucks, and then Steelers. Okay, that's not bad, all for 15 bucks. Those all generally go for like what, 35 bucks, 33 to 35 bucks. Moving on to the sneakers, it's just one wall right here. Got some very small ACGs right here. ACG usually goes for a ton of money. Can't really find these on sale too much. What is that, 50 bucks? 50 bucks, there's no price tag on it. I think that's 50. Got some Vans for 37. Got some Asics hiking shoes right here for 60. Some Stackhouse, Fila Jerry Stackhouse. Haven't seen this colorway ever. $30 or 29, my bad, 29 bucks. These are pretty dope. What are these? The Vapor. Shoot, I forgot which cleats these are. But yeah, these are football cleats. These are size 10. They're $19.99. That's a hell of a price. If they had a size 9, I would grab one. I need one for my kiddo. Got some Forums right here, go for 40. Some nice materials on it. Alpha cleats right there go for $33. Oh, what size is this? Some Fly E's. Size 9. Maybe if I found a 9.5, I would grab one for my kiddo. He's like these. He like the technology behind it. But size 9, I don't think that'll work. Then, of course, we've been seeing these Clifton 8s. I did grab one for my kiddo. That's kind of been his daily. And these are going for 80 bucks. You got the ID foams right here going for 40 as well. This is bigger size though. It says 13, yep. Then some more Alpha cleats go for 20. Then these tiny little Nike boots right here. I don't know the name of these. I don't think I ever, dang it! 50 bucks for those. If y'all got kids, man. Dude got toys at a discount. You know, the boys love all these Hot Wheels and stuff. They're usually like half price here, which is pretty dope. Ooh, they got Rivals ones. These are actually pretty nice. These are pretty nice. My kiddo does like these. How much are these going for? Dang, dude, what's up with the price, doggies? If this had a price tag, I might get it, but I don't see no price tag. This does have, this holds 50 balls too. That's not bad. Oh no, it holds 12, my bad. It holds 12. It's a shotgun. And they got the Hyper ones. These use slightly smaller balls than the Rivals. This is 15 bucks. That's hella cheap. You usually don't see guns for less than $30 at most spots. Oh, this one has a price tag, that one doesn't. $20. Not bad. Yeah, these are hard to find under 30 bucks, so that's not bad at all. That Keith Sweat, man, I ain't heard this song in a minute. This is back from when I was in high school. All right, I have been checking the women's section's been pretty dry, dude. Men's section even hasn't been great, but women's section even worse. And to be honest with you guys, if there isn't much, I just haven't been showing it. I'm not gonna sit here and show you guys that they literally have nothing. But yeah, I think that's pretty much about it, you guys. Pretty much about it. I'm gonna hit up some more Nike outlets and that type of stuff. So stay tuned, got plenty coming. If you're new, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. For everybody else, make sure you hit that like button. And I think we're done, you guys. They got In-N-Out in Houston? What? I knew they were in Dallas and stuff. I didn't know they made it all the way to Houston. Okay. That stuff is way better than Whataburger, I'll tell you that. I know some people love Whataburger. That In-N-Out's 10 times better. Still better, man. Still better.